The Xiaomi 17 series represents a bold leap into flagship territory for Xiaomi, blending powerful performance, cutting-edge imaging, and striking design. Hi, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. Here introducing Xiaomi Mi 17 Pro Max series. Let's have a look. New chipset, advanced camera hardware, and standout features like a variant with a secondary rear display. This lineup is crafted for tech enthusiasts who demand premium specs and standout uniqueness in style. Xiaomi 17 Standard Model. Processor, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Display, 6.3-inch OLED, high refresh rate. Rear cameras, triple setup, 50-megapixel main, plus ultra-wide, plus telephoto. Battery, 7,000 mAh. Now Xiaomi 17 Pro key specs. Processor, Snapdragon 8, Elite Gen 5, same. Display and build, premium materials, possibly larger screen and refined design. Rear cameras, enhanced optics with superior telephoto and ultra-wide sensors. Additional feature, secondary back display on the rear for notifications, selfie preview, and widgets. Battery, slightly smaller than standard model but with extra features. Xiaomi Mi 17 Pro Max key specs. Display, 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED, 120 Hz refresh rate, up to 3,500 nits peak brightness. Processor, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 3 nm process with top-tier CPU GPU performance. Memory and storage. Configurations include 12 GB or 16 GB RAM, paired with 512 GB or 1 TB of UFS 4.x storage. Rear cameras triple set. 50-megapixel main sensor wide with OIS. 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. 5x optical zoom. 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Front camera, 50-megapixel for high-resolution selfies and video. Battery, approx. 7,500 mAh capacity. Here you can see a complete specifications of Xiaomi Mi 17 series. So guys, this the fresh news about new Xiaomi Mi 17 series. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will receive our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.